So in this video, it's going to be a partial unbox and slight review, just showing what this new battery backup unit is that I bought. I bought a CyberPower GX1325U 1325 V8, 810 watts. So this is a gaming system battery backup, but that doesn't matter. It's just a marketing term. Who cares about that? Oh, it stinks. Got a lot of plastic on it. Get out of there. Get out of there. No, 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 no. Okay, we're good. So, in the box you get one battery backup. It's got a power button. It's got display. You can silence the alarm, control, USB. I believe these front USBs are just to power accessories. They don't actually back anything up. And on the back, we've got our outlets. These ones are protected by the battery. These ones are just surge protectors. And then coax in, out, Ethernet or phone in, out. The USB that's going to plug into the computer, and then a serial port if that's what you need. Comes with a power cord that's not detachable. It's extremely heavy. And then we've got the accessories that it comes with. So a plastic bag, it's very awesome. User manual. Coax cable, phone cable, some sort of cap, and then the USB cable. Here's a little tour of my personal server room. I've got my 50-port Cisco switch right there, my airport wireless router, and then there's the back of my NAS/server. And here's the power outlet that I'm going to be plugging the battery backup into. And then I'm going to put the battery backup unit right here. I'm going to end up plugging up basically my whole network. So I'm going to plug in my server, my cable modem, and then my switch and airport into the battery backup, so when the power goes out, those still stay up, and hopefully it's only just a little blip of a power outage, so I don't have to wait for everything to come back up. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on putting this in. Okay, so this is what I ended up with. I've got cable coming in and then going out. And this goes out into my modem. Then from my modem, I've got my Ethernet coming up and over into my Ethernet in port. And then this is my Ethernet out port. And it goes out into my router slash gateway slash wireless switch. And then I've got everything plugged into my battery backup section. Now I just need to turn it on. There we go. Around. I can hear everything kicking on, so that's good. Apparently it's outputting 120 volts. I'm going to be measured in volts, but whatever. 60 hertz, 129 watts. Ooh. Okay, now it's outputting in 17 watts. My setup uses very little power, if that's true. This is showing me how much runtime I have. So if I lose power, it'll run for about 42 minutes. Well, it's all over the place right now. No events. Input's 120 volts. Output's 120 volts. There we go. Now I'm getting some real numbers. So 113 watts is how much power my setup is using, with it spiking all over the place. Alright, well, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, go ahead and like it. If you want, go ahead and subscribe. If not, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.